So everybody wants to know what we're drinking in our cups. Well, we're really not drinking anything. Look, it's clear water, people. It's clear, see?
Rosemary, yours is not clear.
It's not clear? I can't stop laughing because Tony's making me laugh. I'm going to show you. She's teaching me how to yodel. 3 words. The first word is eek.
Ye.
Oh, ye.
Ye.
Ye old lady. You got it? Okay, here we go. Hold on.
Okay, can you guys see me? Alright. So, now you're cutting head off, so hold it up higher. Okay. So, alright. If you want to know how to yodel, because this year we got the hoedown and the gadel. Next year we're gonna have a Mexican fiesta with piñatas and a German fest. That's right.
Don't promise these people. We're just talking. We're just talking.
We're just playing, and it may not happen at all. But anyway, so if we had a German night, you would all have to have a yodeling contest. Now, to yodel, you just need 3 words. Ye old lady. We all can say ye old lady, right? Then you just have to add a little inflection. So instead of just saying ye, you say yo. You add the O. You add the O from the old lady.
Ye old lady.
Yodelay, 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 and you're a yodeler.
And what else do you need on top of that?
You need a hat from your daddy.
Uh-huh. And what else?
Really not much.
And what else?
Beer. A stein of beer.
Where's Gary when you need him, boy?
Steins.
Gary would be very happy with you right now.
So,
in fact, he probably is.
So I want to hear you practice it. So it's just ye old lady.
Okay, come over here. My hand's hurting. Come over here. We'll sit down. Sit down with me.
My Lord, no.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit with me.
Okay.
We're going to do it together.
Let's see. If I can teach Rosemary, I can teach anybody.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay, here's my German hat my dad owned.
Okay. Ye old.
So bad.
You said ye old lady.
Ye old.
Ye old.
Ye old
lady.
Just say, listen once and then repeat. Ye old lady.
Ye old lady.
Perfect. Ye old lady. Right, as you get better.
Okay, I'm gonna tell Sarah we'll be skinny because she ain't got nothing to do at work apparently. She just did a video. She ain't doing nothing.
So yodelay, 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 yodelay.
You're next, Sarah.
Yodelay, 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 yodelay.
Look at what's above me. An angel.
All right, this will never go on YouTube. Yodelay.
And I do take a drink every once in a while, but I'm not drunk.
Delete this file.